Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Gufran. Friends, today we will learn how to set the time on this watch. I will show you how to set the time, date, and month. So, friends, this is a touch-led digital watch. Let me show you a closer look. This is how the watch looks. Now, we will learn how to set the time, date, and month. It's very simple. So, friends, let's start the video. This is a touch watch, as you can see. There are no buttons anywhere. To set the time, date, and month, we will tap the screen once. Now, as you can see, it has turned on. Next, we need to press and hold the screen for a few seconds because we need to set it to 11 o'clock. Keep pressing like this. First, we will set 11 o'clock. Keep tapping until we reach 11. Now, we need to select PM. Earlier, it was AM. As you can see, P is displayed, meaning PM is selected. Now, we will press and hold the screen again for a few seconds. Next, we will set the minutes. Currently, the time is 33 minutes past 11. Keep tapping to increase the minutes. You can also tap faster to speed up the numbers. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Now, the minutes are set to 34. I have set it to 11:34. Now, we will press and hold again for a few seconds. Next, we will set the month. We will keep tapping to increase the month. We need to set it to November. Now, let's press and hold again for a few seconds. Next, we will set the date. Today's date is the 12th, so we will set it accordingly. Keep tapping to move forward quickly. Now, the date is set to 12. We will leave it like this, and the watch will save the settings automatically. To check, tap once. The time is 11:35. Tap again, date, 12. Tap once more, month, 11. So, friends, our time, date, and month are now set on this watch. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. How did you like this video? Please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. In the next video, we will also test this watch in water. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. We have many more videos on watches on our channel, so do check them out.